Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Digestion Part 2. Bingo! And without wasting any of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. The first portion of the small intestine immediately below the stomach, approximately 30 centimeters long. A. Ileum. B. Colon. C. Duodenum. D. Liver. And the answer is C. Duodenum. Enzyme produced by the small intestine that converts maltose to glucose during the process of digestion. A. Maltose. B. Pepsin. C. Lactase. D. Oesophagus. And the answer is A. Maltose. A lymph vessel in a villus of a small intestine absorbs fatty acids and glycerol after digestion of fats. A. Lactase. B. Pepsin. C. Lipase. D. Maltase. And the answer is A. Lactase. Tube that goes from the mouth to the stomach. A. Lactase. B. Pepsin. C. Lactase. D. Oesophagus. And the answer is D. Oesophagus. Collective term for all secretions by the glands in the stomach, e.g., mucus, enzymes, and hydrochloric acid. A. Saliva. B. Gastric juice. C. Chyme. D. Chyle. And the answer is B. Gastric juice. Large exocrine gland and organ on right hand side of body below diaphragm and beside over the stomach, has a range of functions which include 1. Production of bile. 2. Breaking down old red blood cells. 3. Detoxification of the blood. 4. Storage of vitamins and minerals. 5. Deamination of excess amino acids. 6. Controlling the amount of glucose in the blood. And 7. Converts excess carbohydrates to fat. And A. Liver. B. Gastric juice. C. Chyme. D. Chyle. And the answer is B. Gastric juice. The process of taking food into the body through the mouth. A. Digestion. B. Egestion. C. Ingestion. D. Deamination. And the answer is C. Ingestion. Elimination of feces from the body, i.e. undigested or indigested and unwanted material. It is under the control of anus sphincter muscle. This is known as excretion. A. Digestion. B. Egestion. C. Ingestions. D. Maltose. And the answer is B. Egestion. One of the last three back teeth, each side of the mouth, top and bottom, including wisdom teeth, used for grinding food. A. Premolar. B. Canine tooth. C. Incisors. D. Molars. And the answer is D. Molars. The small intestine, where most digestion and absorption occurs. A. Ileum. B. Canine tooth. C. Pancreas. D. Rectum. And the answer is A. Ileum. Liquid produced by the intestines, composed of mucus, enzymes, and other substances, all of which have a role to play in digestion. A. Saliva. B. Chyle. C. Intestinal juice. D. Chyme. And the answer is C. Intestinal juice. A sac-like vessel that lies behind the lobes of the liver and stores bile, which is produced by the liver. The bile duct drains it. A. Stomach. B. Pancreas. C. Colon. D. Gallbladder. And the answer is D. Gallbladder. An enzyme produced by the small intestine that converts lactose to glucose and galactose during the process of digestion. A. Lactose. B. Maltase. C. Lipase. D. Pepsin. And the answer is A. Lactase. An enzyme produced in the stomach, pancreas, and small intestine which converts lipids to fatty acids and glycerol during the process of digestion. Its optimum pH is slightly basic in the pancreas and small intestine, but acidic in the stomach. A. Lactase. B. Incisors. C. Lipase. D. Pepsin. And the answer is C. Lipase. Front tooth used for cutting food, found between the canine teeth, or what we call the eye teeth, in upper and lower jaws. A. Lactase. B. Incisors. C. Lipase. D. Pepsin. And the answer is B. Incisors. Enzyme produced by small intestine that converts maltose to glucose during the process of digestion. A. Lactase. B. Incisors. C. Lipase. D. Pepsin. And the answer is C. Lipase. Dear friends, thank you very much for participating in Digestion Part 2. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.